coronavirus crisis is having a dramatic impact on us. We have lost so far tens of thousands of people in the European Union to this virus. Our healthcare systems are under enormous strain, and our economy is severely hit. Many people fear for their lives and also for their jobs. Defeating this virus requires unprecedented measures. Even before the first cases were reported in the European Union, we took steps to prepare for this disease.
Soon we also started to help bring back European citizens stranded across the world.
At the same time, we swiftly mobilized funding for research because we need vaccines, new treatments, and better diagnosis methods to fight this virus.
The dramatic outbreak in Wuhan made us quickly recognize its serious risks to public health worldwide. One of our first priorities was therefore calling out to member states to raise their preparedness, coordinate on all levels, and demonstrate international solidarity, firstly toward China, as well as among each other.
As the virus spread rapidly throughout the European Union, we stepped up our response on all fronts: medical, economic, mobility, civil protection, and many more. We need the best scientific evidence to fight this virus. And this is why I gathered a team of leading European experts to advise us.
We took steps to help ensure that our hospitals have the equipment they need. The Commission has been working with industry to ramp up production of protective and medical equipment such as ventilators, and it is helping member states buy equipment through joint procurement.
Member States' first reaction was to impose border controls. These led to significant waiting times at some border crossings of more than 24 hours. We worked intensively with national governments to overcome the blockages and delays.
We acted fast to unblock traffic, to enable people to reach their homes or workplaces, and to make sure that goods could be delivered where they were needed, from hospitals to shops.
And because the containment measures hit the economy, we have unlocked funding to fight the crisis. We provided billions of euros in support from the EU budget.
And we adapted the rules to enable governments to pump money in the economy, to protect people's jobs and to keep businesses running. Support measures of more than 3 trillion euros have been announced so far in the European Union. This is the most impressive response anywhere in the world.
In parallel, we are working with our international partners on a coordinated global response. That's the only way to beat the virus.
We have made real progress by working closely together in the EU against the coronavirus. The spread of the virus has started to slow down. Now, We are working with governments to help ensure a gradual and coordinated lifting of containment measures when the right time comes.
We are also working on a robust recovery plan to kickstart our economy and create jobs for Europeans, and to make Europe stronger and more resilient.